Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you remove background noise from your audio this 2023. So let's go over to this one. So just go to this website ailab.wondershare.com and just find the audio noise removal solutions. And over here let's upload a file here. So let's choose a random file. So let's choose this one. And as you can see, this is the original. You can also have a couple of options here: speech enhance, general noise, human voice, reverb sound is sound and click noise. But if you want to remove the general noise, let's go over to click on this one and just generate. On generate and just wait for the process to finish. And as you can see, let's see the results. As you can see, the noise has been removed. So let's compare that to our original. And as you can see, it greatly removed it. You can also use other options here, other tools that you want. You just have to go ahead and click on generate to each and every one. So there guys, once done, you can freely download this if you want here and there. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.